Hans Handheld Welder series. Unbeatable versatility. Portable and durable, built for any condition. Welding has never been this effortless. Redefine precision door-window welding. Cabinet seams, one pass perfection. Save 20% time and material. Elevator plates, T-mode delivers deep penetration and rock-solid stability. Black Crystal series empowering industries. Welding has never been easier. IP68 waterproof, shockproof, anti-dust, drop resistant. Weld flawlessly, even in extreme conditions. Black, red, blue Crystal series. There must be one perfect match for your mission.